Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a frustrating issue that many Discord users face. The dreaded "you have been blocked" error. If you've encountered this problem, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several methods to fix it. So you've opened Discord and instead of jumping into your favorite server, you see this message: "You have been blocked." This typically means that your IP address or account has been flagged by Discord's security system. The first and easiest method is to restart your router. Unplug it from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will give you a new IP address, which might help you bypass the block. If restarting your Wi Fi didn't work, you can try using a VPN. Or VPN will mask your IP address and assign you a new one. There are many free and paid VPN services available. I personally recommend this VPN, that is 1.1.1.1. Once connected to the VPN, open Discord and check if the error is gone by doing like this. If none of the previous methods worked, it's time to contact Discord support. Go to Discord support website and submit a request explaining your issue. Provide as much detail as possible to help them resolve your issue quickly. And there you have it, several methods to fix the "you have been blocked" error on Discord. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.